This video is part of the GiantLeap project, how to install Windows X2Go client software. Client software displays GiantLeap applications running on the server. This approach means your business data stays on the server. Workstations just look at server data through a secure tunnel. Here's how to get the X2Go SSH software onto a Windows workstation. Remove the USB flash drive from the server. Insert the USB flash drive into a Windows workstation. Use Folder View to look inside Backup Zip. Look inside the Database folder. Look inside the Client folder. Look inside the GiantLeap zip file to see a software folder and GiantLeap bat file. Press the Extract All button. Destination of documents GiantLeap is OK. Show extracted files will help. Press the Extract button. Wait for copy of about 700 files. Choose the GiantLeap bat file. Press mouse 2 and choose Send to. Send to desktop will create a shortcut. A new shortcut is created. Close to a clean desktop. Select the shortcut and press mouse number 2. Rename the shortcut to something sensible. Select the shortcut again and press mouse 2. Choose the Properties item. Make a change to the target box, adding username like Work01 at the end. Also change Run to minimized. Press the OK button. Start up the new shortcut to GiantLeap. Respond to security questions on the first run. Your screen should appear in about 30 seconds. If you have questions or comments, please let me know. Mike G at GiantDatabase.com.